Welcome to my channel English Literature 101. The topic for the day is a poem titled A House, a Home. This poem is prescribed by CBSE for class 6 in the English book named Honeysuckle. Before starting with the detailed explanation of the poem, it is very important for us to know something about the poet. This poem is written by Lorraine M Halli, often known as Lorraine M Halli. She is an American poet born on December 8, 1921 in St. Peter, USA. The thing which we find in her writing is that her writing style is simple yet thought-provoking. And in this poem also, we are going to see the same thing. So, without any further delay, let's begin with the poem. A house, a home. At first, let's just focus on the title, house and home. Both are kind of a synonym, isn't it? The question that generally arises in us is that, why did the poet use the two words together? She could have just used either a house or a home, isn't it? So in this poem, basically, she aims to make a clear distinction between a house and a home. How can one distinguish a house from a home, and in what aspects are the two things different is the lookout in this poem. A house, a home. What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard. So here the poet starts with a question. He asks the readers that what is a house? Do you know what a house is? Then he simply answers, saying that it's brick and stone and wood that hards. He says that house is what? A structure made up of brick, stone and wood that are hard. So basically in this stanza, the poet explains the various materials or the ingredients which is used to make a house, that is brick, stone and wood. Some window glass and perhaps a yard. And now again he says that it's not just about a structure made of brick, stone and wood. It also has windows which is made of glass and perhaps a yard, that is, we can say an open space, an open area or a garden. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of door. And what else is there in a house? It has eaves. Eaves is a part of a roof that hangs out over the wall to provide a shade, or we can say it is the elevation of a roof. And what else it has? It has chimneys. Chimneys, we know that it is a hollow structure which allows smoke to escape from building. So it has eaves, chimneys and tile floors. It also has what? Floors which are made of tiles. And stucco and roof and lots of doors. And it also has a stucco, that is plastered walls and lots of doors, and there are various doors. So basically in this stanza, the poet is explaining the materials, the structure, the ingredients of a house, which is completely a non-living thing. Now let's move to the second stanza. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brother and sisters and fathers and mothers. Now what's the second question that the poet asks? The poet asks that what is a home? Now in the first stanza we find that the poet was talking about what a house, and he had given an answer himself that what is house all about. Now in the second stanza he asks the reader a question that what is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brother and sister and father and mother. So what the poet says, the poet here explains the nature of a home and what makes a house a home. He kind of explains the transition of a house to a home in this stanza. He says that it is the family members, the brother, the sister, the mother, the father, grandfather, grandmother who together make a home. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. What else it is made up of? It is not only just made up of family members, but their acts without any selfish interest, their love and care for each other, their concern for each other, their wish to work for each other's happiness and well-being. So a home is all about family members, their love, concern and sharing towards each other. Here I have provided you with a list of new words along with their meanings, which would make the understanding of the poem much easier and better for you all. So guys, that's all for today's video, and I hope you all have understood the chapter well. If you have any queries regarding the chapter, do let me know in the comment section below. And please don't forget to like, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further updates. Thank you.